am going to pick the winner for the 2 skeins of yarn that I was doing for a giveaway, and please contact me. My email is down below, and I do have Amazon links for the 2 skeins of yarn that I was giving away. This winner, I just need your address, and so far the mail is running as usual, and hopefully it will continue to do so. I had to get a new computer because my tower, we took it into the shop and it was completely ruined. I don't know how. I think it was old anyways, but still. So I had to get a new laptop. We decided not to get a tower this time, and so I am finally back online where I can do recordings and I can edit videos, because all I had was my phone, and my husband has his laptop, but it's his work laptop, and he didn't want me using it, and I don't know if I was able to use it the way I can hopefully use this laptop. So fortunately I was able to keep my videos and my pictures from May of 2019, but anything after that I lost because my information wasn't updated enough. But I was able to fortunately keep all my photos from when my kids were born, thank God. And I hope everybody is staying safe out there and doing okay and well. I, we're all hanging in there, of course, and somewhat overwhelmed with the day by day news of the coronavirus. And my kids are home, and my husband's working from home. So we all are just taking it day by day. So far, none of us have gotten sick, and we hope that everybody out there is staying safe and everybody is staying healthy as much as possible. We live in Michigan, so right now the numbers keep creeping up. So, anyways, if you'd like to drop a note on how you're doing, um, everybody's in my prayers and in my thoughts. I do want to say thank you everybody for subscribing, and I'm going to work on videos, but I don't know what the future holds with this coronavirus, as far as like doing giveaways. If the mail will continue, I'm sure it will, but maybe it will be limited. I just went in there and it was really slow. I mean, I could tell a lot of people are staying home. All right, let's see who the winner is. Molly Chaucer, congratulations. Please contact me as soon as you can. I'll send this out to you. And I want to say thank you, everybody, for participating. And hopefully, I can have some new videos coming to you in the future. Thank you for watching.